Welcome Learning for Kids. In this video we learn English words. Ball, cup, bag, blocks, toy, car, train, donut, cap, orange, cake, candy, sunflower, milk, ladybug, egg, chocolate, truck, apple, bed, star, pizza, tree, pencil, shell, cookies, fries, school bus, chair, glasses, earth, helmet, cupcake, jelly, banana, jam, clock, box, butter, gloves, ship, umbrella. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.